first row. Get ready and read it. Next row, touch 8. Get ready and read it. Next row, touch S. Get ready and read it. Next row, touch S. Get ready and read it. And the last row, touch H. Get ready and read it. One more time, go to the last row. Someone's saying something else. Touch H. Get ready and read it. One more time, go to the last row. Touch H. Get ready and read it. Everyone say much better. Okay, turn to the back. Everyone say our letter sounds. Everyone say number 2. Smaller steps. Obtainable chunks. Yes, we have to know our letter sounds in order to. Okay, so ready? Touch the first row. Touch E, get ready, and read it. Okay, next row. What sound does K make? What sound does W make? What sound does R make? What sound does G make? What sound does U make? What sound does T make? What sound does S make? Okay, go back to K. Tell me the sounds. Get ready, go. Everyone say awesome. Next row, touch O. What sound does O make? Okay, we're looking at the short O sound. What is the short O sound? Go back again. What sound does O make? What sound does F make? What sound does N make? What sound does H make? What sound does D make? What sound does K make? What sound does B make? What sound does R make? Okay, go back to R. Tell me the sounds. Get ready, go. One more time. I want to hear all of you. Tell me the sound starting with R. Get ready, go. Boys and girls, we have to say it together. Go back to R. Tell me the sound starting with R. Get ready, go. R, ha, duh, ka, ba, r. One more time. Go back to R. Get ready, go. R, ha, duh, ka, ba, r. By yourself. Go back to R. Get ready, go. One more time. Get ready, go. Stop. Who was saying buff or duh? Go back again. Everyone say ah, ha, duh, ka, ba, r. Go back to ah again. Get ready, go. Ah, ha, duh, ka, ba, r. By yourself, go back to ah. Get ready, go. Everyone say much better. Boys and girls, don't forget, tomorrow homework is due. Everyone say RAS plus homework and paper homework. Are we going to study our charts with mom and dad? Yes. Make a heart send to mom and dad and say, love you. Yes, you gotta go to our assembly. Everyone say dynamic dolphin assembly.